My name is Tarek Helmy. I'm Regional Director of Nexans Cabling Solutions, Gulf, Middle East, East and South Africa. We are focusing actually on two major solutions for structured cabling, apart from the LAN standard structure. We are focusing on the data center solutions as well as into the FTTO solutions, which defined as fiber to the outlet or fiber to the office. Apart from that, we have the FTTO fiber to the office, which is a new technology or a solution that's really far beyond being the traditional structured cabling by eliminating or actually limiting the number of the telecom rooms and going a fiber solution from the core switch to the outlet. Right, so the idea of FTTO, it's apparently is not replacing the structured cabling or the standard or the normal structured cabling, but it's a solution that's really going to help a lot of niche markets when specifically talking about large spaces and big floor spaces, as well as that you have a real issue with having a big number of telecom rooms inside the building. So the idea of the FTTO is that when you look at the standard structured cabling, it's replacing your telecom room totally, and you don't have to have any more a room dedicated for telecom with UPS, with active equipment, with air conditioning, with cooling, with firefighting system. So you simply don't need all these kind of equipment, and you simply replace it by a small switch, which is the 45x90, very similar to your data outlet size, and that will serve you 4 ports of 1 gig PoE plus to the end user. If you look at the data center speed migration, now everybody's talking till like 2 years before that the lowest category allowed in data center is the 10 gig, in other words, the 6A. Now the people start talking about whether to go for end of row or top of rack and which is more cost effective. What they have realized that they still need to have to reduce the cost to have more and more copper links rather than going all the way fiber. So the introduction of the Cat 8 came replacing the idea of saying, why should I go for 25 gig and 40 gig on fiber? However, I still do have a copper solution that can do it today. And to be honest with you, when people start talking about the future of the next bandwidth generation on data center on copper, everybody started talking 40 gig. But what happened recently in the last 1 year, I would rather say, the 25 gig actually stepped in very strongly and telling to people, listen, we won't go from 10 to 40, actually we're going to go from 10 to 25 and possibly not even 40, going to be 50. So this is how the roadmap has been changing.